Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to access the recovery mode on your AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. Accessing the recovery mode is pretty simple. All you need to do is simply first turn your device off by pressing and holding on the power button, tapping on power off and waiting until the device vibrates. When it vibrates, it's off, and now we can begin pressing and holding on power and volume up. When Snapdragon logo appears, you can release the power button and wait until you see Android. Now, it says no command. To go through that, you'll need to press and hold on the power button, and while doing so, shortly press on volume up. Now release both. You can see you're in the Android recovery. You can use volume down or volume up to navigate through the menu, and power button to approve the option that you have selected. You can, for example, wipe your data or do some other stuff. I'll actually go to reboot system now, basically. Or maybe I'm gonna try to reboot to bootloader to see if there's some sort of bootloader here. And approve with the power button, and that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.